You start. You start.
You start.
You start.
You start.
You start.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today Brianna will be doing my makeup.
And if you're watching either on YouTube, Snapchat, Facebook or Instagram, make sure to like it and subscribe.
Yes, good girl. I didn't even tell her to say that.
And touch the bell.
The bell notifications, yes.
Yeah.
She's been watching way too many YouTube videos. Okay, what are we going to start with today, Brianna?
You.
Me? Oh, so you're going to do my makeup?
So
So let's
I'm
start
going to
with you
be
first.
using the powder. Where's my blush? Oh, my blush. And I got 2 shades of eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this color there. Let me find the other color.
So this is Brianna's collection. These are some of the things that I've given her, or
These
her
are
mum's given her.
yes.
Good.
And this is the one that no. I need a light color. And this is the one that's going under it.
Matte, lovely.
And then I'm gonna put a little bit there, and I'm gonna use her lipstick. What color is it?
Angelic.
It's gonna be angelic, and I really like the color.
Me too. So Brianna, how old are you? Do you want to tell everyone how old you are?
I'm 7, and my favorite color is light blue.
Okay, great.
And I'm in year 2.
Ooh. Okay, so what are you using
me a
on my
face.
Yeah, but they need to see on the camera what you're doing.
I'm putting on the powder.
Would you find it easier if you stood up, or do you like that you're sitting down?
My hands are down.
Okay. Alright, so you're putting on powder, and what are you using to put it on? Oh, that's tickly. What are you using to put it on?
A brush.
Okay.
And this is my brush that my mummy gave me, I think.
That I probably gave your mummy.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, I did. Next, after the powder,
We're gonna use the blush.
blush. Okay, yesterday Brianna was showing me a trick that she does with blush. Can you show them on me what you do?
and then I rub it in.
Oh my goodness.
I rub it in.
With your hands or the brush?
Me?
You didn't do this
I
yesterday.
did. Maybe I did.
Did you plan this?
Yes.
This is something I did not expect this. What are you doing?
This is how my brush on. Sometimes I get it mixed up a little bit.
It might look like she's rough. She's actually quite gentle. But sarcastically saying. Okay, but they need to see what you're doing.
Again.
Oh my goodness. I think we need a one-on-one with you. One-on-one makeup lessons.
Now give me your eyes.
Oh god, I'm scared.
Give me all that way. And for this, I'm going to be using this gold on top. Give me your eyes. Any more. Okay. And then your lipstick.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Give me one.
Oh, we need to show the camera what you're doing.
I'm putting her lipstick on.
Yeah, they need to see it. I'd like to see it. You're doing a good job. Wow. I can feel it. She did a very good job. Can I do that?
Yeah.
Okay. What's next?
Nothing. Oh, I forgot, Mom.
What do you mean? You showed them all
Glitter.
these products.
Glitter.
Okay, glitter. I like glitter. You've got to show them where it's going to go.
It's gonna be going right there.
Okay, so they have to see.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my blush.
Can you please open it?
Sure. Got it? Okay.
Look at that color
It's glitter that I got her
from a holiday.
when I went overseas. It's like a sample that a manufacturer gave me.
Okay, other side.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay.
Oh, that is special. I'm ready for Coachella. So what else are we doing? Is that my makeup look finished?
Yeah.
What about that pink that you showed me that you like, that one? Where would we put that?
That'll be being with your
So
blush
that's like
the
a,
same.
yeah, it's like one of the highlighters in our... Oh. Can I show you another way on how to put it on?
No, I didn't. My brush is so big, okay? It's what's beautiful. We're being. Oh, faster! But I'll go. It's so fun. Okay, I'm ready.
That's it? That's my final look? Amazing! This is my final look, everybody. Look at that. That's special.
That side is not good.
Oh my god, you're really violent.
Okay, there we go. And now me!
I'm gonna do your makeup the way you did my makeup.
First,
what was
let's
first?
start with
You want to
this is my blush.
Okay. That's,
It's the blush.
you mean that's powder? That's face powder.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna use face powder.
You're a professional. Can you add a little bit more special stuff?
Okay. You want me to wave my magic wand?
You have to go like that.
I should treat you the way you are treating me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay. Okay. Sassy B. You want to show people what your personality is really like? You can't snatch. I'm doing your makeup.
That's wrong.
Hold on. Where's that blush you used?
Yeah.
Here. Okay. Smile. You've got. Don't touch it. I'm doing your makeup. Okay. Show them.
I look like a clown.
That's okay. That's the purpose.
Just rub it in.
That's what you. I am.
With your hands.
No, I like a brush.
You're
I think it
hurting
looks
me.
prettier.
Ah. You can have mine.
That's
Really?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, there you go.
Done? Am I ready for your eyeshadow?
Yeah. So we're using.
I feel like using a.
You can use a different color.
Let's go in with the glitter.
Okay. Do you put any colors under it?
Would you like me to? I was just happy to go with glitter straight away. Is that okay?
Do you want me to open all of the colors and see?
Okay. Why not?
There's the sparkly one.
Okay, I like that one. Yep, that's the one that you smudged on my face. Okay, close your eyes. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Look how soft that is. Okay, let's do
I can't even see it.
Close. Wait till I get the glitter on there, you can see it.
You're getting my eyelids, you know.
That's where eyeshadow belongs.
No, my eye.
Okay.
My eye. You're getting my eyelashes.
Glitter?
I want to use dark pink since we use dark.
Okay.
Well, don't use too much because you'll see that one.
I'm doing your makeup.
Don't use too much
Okay.
because that dark pink's my favorite.
Okay.
Make my eye open.
Okay, open.
Ah, that hurt.
Okay, close your eyes. This is really interesting. Okay, I want to put a bit on your face.
What? That's for this makeup.
Okay, let's put that one on your face.
That's for your eyes. Wait.
Okay, good. This is going to look beautiful. Ready?
Yay.
That's pretty. Okay, turn to the side. Other way.
Yeah, I think that's when it's ready for rubbish. My mum gave it to me empty.
She doesn't want you to wear makeup.
What?
What's wrong?
You can't see that.
Yes, you can. Turn your head a bit more to the side. Look at
Oh
that
yeah, I
glow.
see it there.
That is on fleek, babe.
And now your lipstick.
Lipstick. Okay. I'm going to give you angelic. Ready? This is a pretty pink. I love you so much. Oh my goodness, you're so adorable. Now, I made it very clear before that you don't need makeup to be beautiful.
I
Isn't
do.
that right? No.
I do.
No.
I do. I'm not wiping with my makeup. Think about it.
I'm not going to wipe your makeup. I think it's really pretty, but I think you're still beautiful without it.
Why do you have to do so annoying
No, to wipe the glitter off my fingers.
Look at this. Got this one.
Okay, how about we finish off the video and then we ask questions and answers, okay?
Okay.
All right. So everybody, I hope you were entertained by myself and Brianna doing
But
each other's
before we
makeup.
say bye, we're gonna ask some questions.
Okay, so we're going to ask each other questions. I have no idea what she's going to ask me, so let's do this. Do you want to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
One, did you like, subscribe, and click the notifications bell?
Oh, you're asking them or me?
Them.
Oh, okay. Can you guys answer us if you click subscribe and hit the notification bell?
And press like. Not dislike, like.
Yeah. And let's ask each other some questions.
Okay, do you like your makeup?
I love my makeup. You made me feel really beautiful.
And if you guys want to know any stuff, any products, how I do this thing, those rabbits, you have to just text us on Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or YouTube.
And who's going to answer them? Are you going to be there texting
We're
them back?
gonna do them.
Okay, we'll text them together.
And you guys were the best makeup artists in the world. Hey, no kissing in the...
Don't make my kisses, that's offensive. I love you. Can I show them how I really kiss you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's never enough.
You wrecked your lipstick.
It's still on there.
No, it's not.
On your face.
Hey! Okay, there you go. Okay.
Okay guys, we gotta go. Bye. See ya.
See ya.
We love you. Wait, don't press stop. Let's blow a kiss to them. Ready? 1, 2. No, on 3 blow. That was a beautiful kiss though. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Oh, give me these.
Doesn't that look pretty?
Look, I'm smiling. I'm cute. Ow, I just scratched myself.
Sorry.
Not scratch me. That's annoying.
Okay, 1 second.
Go.
You are cute.
You